And welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display alerts like the macOS alert inside a Flutter macOS application. So let's get started. So firstly I will quickly show you guys the output. So here I will just open my app. So here you can see I have my macOS app opened, and I have one button called display alert. If I click on it, here you can see I'm able to see the alert. So this is the macOS alert which we get from AppKit. So that's what is been displayed. I can also change the styling, so I'll quickly show you the styling part as well. Of course you can change the styling to whatever you feel like, and I will explain you the code in a bit. So yeah, just a second. So I'm just again, if you want you can use flutter run command as well, but yeah, I'm directly running it from Xcode. That's fine. Again, click on display alert, and here you can see we get this a little bit different. And the last one is what was it? Warning critical I have done, and I think informational is the last one. So I will show you that as well. So first what you will have to do is you will just have to create a Flutter project. And if you see inside my main.dart, so I'll just open my app, click on display alert, and here is the alert. So yeah, let's see the code now. So here I have just refactored my homepage widget. It is a stateful widget. I have created a method channel as well. Also, sorry, one more thing which I forgot is I'll just close this down. I'm running it from my Xcode, that's why I'm showing it log inside my Xcode. But if you're running it from terminal via flutter run command, you will see the logs inside your terminal. So I'll just click on the display alert. If I click on OK, here you can see I get the callback. So this is inside our Flutter code, which you can see over here. Okay, and if I again click on cancel, I get that alert as well. So here you can see. So anyways, coming back, so here I have created a method channel called alert platform, and this is the method which we have to define it on native macOS side. Next, this method is called from our text button. So as simple as that, nothing much inside the UI code. And here we are just tracking what button has been clicked. Next, you will have to open the XE workspace of your macOS folder inside Xcode. I have already done that. Then if I scroll up, go to the main Flutter window file which is present. Here we register our method channel called alert platform, and we just set the method handler. So once the display alert method is called, so the same identifier you have to use it on Flutter side as well. And once this method is called, we just display an alert, set the message text, informative text, change the style to whatever if you feel like, change add however many buttons you feel like. Mostly it has 2 buttons, and then we are just running our alert. And once if the user press the first button, then this is the result which we send back to Flutter side, and this is the result which we send once the user click on cancel button. So if I click on cancel, here I will just open the logs. Here you can see cancel clicked. So yeah, that's it. And in case if there is some other issues, we just go to the default block. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.